Hello friend, you are watching ERMA Coder channel. In this video, we will learn about how to be control our form component and what the meaning of form component. It's nothing but form is like when any data are storing in database, we can make a form for user detail, for organizational detail, for application detail, anything as per our requirement. We make a UI for detail what we need from the user and make a design. And in this video, I gave you a best understanding how can we deal with the multiple state and all the state data are stored in database. That is our video aspect. Apart from that, we start this video. We consider the ReactJS library like by the Vite. Vite is nothing but when you search on this Chrome, Firefox like VITE, and that is a go on inside this website like vitejs.dev and click on this get start and you scroll on the page and here is npm create with as related, so you can copy this from here and paste inside your uh, file like where you make a file, and this is my path of the folder, and here to press and paste here and press enter, and all the basic template are download inside your folder like node module and public folder. Inside public only the svg are available, and src is our main folder where we write make multiple component, and this is our app.css and this is the app.jsx, that is the main our application component. So we start this form uh, component inside our app component. So make a form tag. Inside form tag, we create a input field. Input is always to consider a self-closing tag. Inside that, we make a name like name and value. Value like to make a two state like const name set name use state, and that is the empty state. Initial state is the empty, and after that when we updating the state, then it will be updated like set email equal to use state like that. And after that, to create a name value, and this is the two times nothing but, and make a one button. Button is a submit data into database, and in our demo video we are using a console where the data is showing. So we create a form control and check it how it's showing. So when you go on the site, so it's look like this. Submit data into database, and this is the two field. Inside field, we make a for making a clear concept. We can create a like a placeholder to make a clear concept what we write in this particular field. And this is the email, and name is a email, like that, and nothing is special here. And this is button, and type is submit. By default, type is submit. So how to look like this, and we can start this or not. So this is so just like this. But how to manage the state? Like, this is our name, this is our email. So email is here, and one function is one event is also there for the controlling our input field for when we enter the user any input inside our input field. So on change is nothing but it's provide facility when the anything are updated, it can be uh, re-render or change the state, initial state to the final state, like that. So that uh, how can do this? This is the function. Inside this, we can make a function like event dot target dot value. That is a function. Or this is store inside set name, like that. So not the spacer, set email, like that. Copy this line of code and paste here inside our primary. First state is a set name, and check it on our console so that we can make a understand how can we do this. This is name and email, and save it and check the inspect console, like 1 2 3, like that, shown here, like that. Admin, like that. So that we can make a simple thing or on submit here. On submit, that is also function. Handle submit. Handle submit is work like, oh sorry, what is this? And outside here to be create a function handle submit const handle submit is like that, and that is a event, and event dot prevent default, like that, and console dot log submit. Name and submit email, like that, and save it, and check on your browser. Name or tool email admin @gmail.com, like that, and save submit. So this is submit Atul and email.com. It's very simple to make understand. How can we make a multiple input and multiple state or submit in our database? It's just like on console as a store our all the input detail inside our database. So thank you to all my viewers. Best wishes to you.